Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use the AI Insights dashboard on the LinearB app. The AI Insights dashboard provides key insights into how AI is being used across your organization. Today, we're going to look at it through three lenses: tool adoption, rule coverage, and tool coverage. AI tool adoption shows us the number of commits, comments, and PRs by AI and AI agents within your code organization. The most interesting thing to see here is we can actually toggle to show also human-based activity on those same fronts. By doing so, you can get a clear distribution and view of AI impact versus traditional engineering impact, but also get a closer look at the tools themselves and which ones are driving the most impact. The AI rule coverage is similar, but we're looking at the number of repositories that your AI is touching and has available to it configuration files to drive its activity and behavior. This view, just like the one above it, is tool agnostic, presents you with the same insights about what tools you're using and how they're being used, no matter if that tool makes available an API or metadata or is a co-author on commits. LinearB surfaces all of that and is able to display them here. The final view in this AI Insights dashboard is the tool coverage. This is looking at how many developers on the team have adopted the tool in question. In this case, it's Copilot. It also looks at the acceptance rate of the code they receive from the tool and how that has been trending over time. But the view here that can be deeply insightful is a dashboard from the Go to Dashboard button that presents to you a more detailed look at your Copilot usage and its impact on your SDLC. From here, we can look at things closer like code acceptance rate, adoption rate, how many users are using the tool per week, and you can get a clearer look at the kind of impact that that tool is driving on a day-to-day basis where code is being produced. We're looking at some hard metrics here, but we can also go to our survey feature to get a deeper insight of the qualitative feedback from those same developers. Let's look at the AI and Productivity 2025 survey that we recently completed. This is a quarterly survey that we run internally to understand how teams and individuals feel about the SDLC. For today's demo, we're looking at the all teams row, and we're looking at our two lowest scores. I can click them to get more information. I can see that our AI-assisted development and our code quality are impacted. By looking at these sections, I can dive deeper on the responses given by those developers in regards to their response to that question. Your surveys would be able to help you correlate through qualitative feedback the quantitative results that you're seeing in places like the metrics dashboard. So in this case, we want to take a closer look at our code quality based upon the feedback from our developers. So let's go look at our code acceptance rate and our code quality. But we can take a deeper look by filtering by a PR label. In this case, all of our desired projects are labeled for the GitHub Copilot label. By applying these features, we can see our tool versus the baseline and draw deeper conclusions about how that tool usage is impacting our engineering organization based on the actual refactor rate of that code later on, the rework rate, is the code being reworked or reproduced, as well as the size of the PRs and the amount of review that they receive from your developers. By measuring these quantitative dashboards along with the qualitative feedback that you receive from your developers, you can get a holistic look at how this tool is being used. Now you've seen a closer look at the AI Insights dashboard and the insights that it can drive within your own organization about AI tool usage and impact.